Hello guys, so if you're looking to remove grain from your footage in Premiere Pro, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you a quick way how you can do that. Now it's a very simple solution. Firstly, just simply go to your editing software. Then when you're in Premiere Pro, just simply search for denoise over here, or just simply go to video effects, scroll down, immersive videos, and in immersive videos you will find an effect called VR denoise. Just simply drag and drop onto your clip. Now it will decrease the amount of grain that is currently on your footage. You can also zoom in to see it. So as you can see, a whole lot of grain has been removed. Now to make it more perfect, what you can do is just simply click on your clip first, then go to effects panel. So now over here, just simply give a value that you are looking for. So what I want is 0.2, then hit enter, and now it is exactly what I need. So if you zoom in, you will see there is not a whole lot of grain left. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.